hope I screenshot it.
What is it?
It was just a comment in one of our videos.
Oh, right. You know, we did have another comment come in the other day.
We did. It's on one of our videos, wasn't it? I just got to find it.
Yeah, but I deleted one.
You deleted one?
Yeah. Because he said...
Go on then.
He or she. He said, me and you, all we do is talk.
We could just sit here and say nothing.
That's what I thought.
Should we try it?
Okay. I don't think it's going to work, you know. This not talking
here,
thing.
Do nothing.
You know we do the buy me a pie thing on the old internet, yeah?
We do indeed.
Couple of good people have donated a little bit towards the old Popalong cause. So let me go way back a little bit. Way back, because I've said a few thank yous, ain't I, before, but this is a new one. So, do you know we've got 48 supporters on there now?
That's impressive.
That's what it says. So let me go down here. So we want to say a big thank you to Adrian Wilkes. He bought us 3 pies.
3 pies, thanking you.
He says, love watching the videos, a nice authentic insight into club level racing. He has been inspired to give it a go at Wilspin Raceway.
Loved it there. That was good.
Yeah, keep up the good work there, Adrian. Mr. Robert, shall I read their full names out?
Go with Mr. Robert. I like Mr. Robert.
Mr. Robert. Love the channel. You guys are the best the best YouTube RC channel out there. Keep doing what you're doing. I think we are, ain't we?
Yeah, I think we do all right.
Thank you very much. We Ginger Yeti.
Do you reckon?
Go on.
Is he offspring from the Yeti?
I don't think he is, but he's going to do the Iconic Cup, so he says, see you at the Iconic Cup. When you were there, give us a nod. Thank you very much. Next one, RC Banksy.
We like RC Banksy, don't we?
No one knows who he is. Who is he? RC Banksy. Love the videos, and thanks for not suing me when I take my content off your content. If you don't know RC Banksy, it's basically BQ Billy posting, is that right? And he has done various memes of me.
I think the first one I remember, it was a picture from Charged RC. It might not be the first one, but I do remember this one because it made me chuckle. And it's me, Tamiya truck racing. And my Tamiya truck is just up on 2 wheels, about to topple over.
Yes.
With the subline, was it? It was at this point that Cole realised he'd eaten too many Scotch eggs.
Yeah.
I like that.
He is really, that guy is absolutely on the money when it comes to memes. He knows the RC hobby. And we can all relate to it, can't we? So thanks for making videos on. Please keep going. It's very, very good. We like it. If you want to see more of his stuff, put a link in the comments.
Definitely.
Subscribe to his channel. You can buy him we should buy him a pie. I think we should buy him a pie. We should do that.
Or a beer next time we see him. But we don't know who he is.
We don't know who he is because we call him RC Banksy because he just does his thing, don't he? No one knows who he is. Maybe people do know who he is. I don't know. Lee Galway, he's a bit of a legend because he's done it a couple of times for me and you.
Oh, cheers, Lee. Thank you.
First of all, he says, hey, loving the vids. I think you should do a YouTuber challenge at Mill End Racetrack with stadium trucks. That'd be quite good. It would be good to see. Be good to catch up with you both at Stevenage Raceway. Take care and keep up the good work. What a legend. So we've got to get back over to Steve.
Do you know what? I've got a video from me running at Stevenage recently. Haven't put the video out yet because they've got exams on in the hall. But as soon as those exams are over...
those pesky kids. They just keep getting
That's
clever.
what happens when you do stuff in schools. Actually, I've got some bad news.
Come to that in a minute. I've got one more thank you.
Go on then.
So a little bit later on, the same geezer, Lee Galway.
Yeah.
He done it again. He bought us a few more pies, and he says this time, loving the vids, keep up the good work. And he said it's sad to see us absolutely destroying the vintage scene.
Oh, that was because we got that criticism email, weren't it?
Didn't we? So there's all the thank yous for today. Now, talking about good things, this video really is about last year we did the Popalong GP and the year before. This year we are doing the Popalong Rally, hence the rally cars here.
We are. Yeah. But it's not just rally, it's also vintage. And I've got... Is the Super Astute a vintage car?
I think it is.
It's got rear motor.
I think it is a vintage car. Yeah, I'm sure of it. I mean, there's plenty of blingy hop-ups on that thing. You're going to be joining...
Don't know what you're talking about, boss. Don't know what you're talking about.
You had a go at me in the past. Look at that thing.
This is box art. This is a box art car.
That's courtesy of old Tinkerbell, ain't it?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell, if you're watching, thank you very much for bringing him down to my level. Good man. So, anyway, we were talking about these cars here and also that, but yeah, the Popalong Rally.
Popalong Rally, 25th of May.
25th of May.
Getting close to being fully booked.
We have got a lot of bookings coming in. I'm really impressed with it. Go on.
There's going to be the rally racing and the vintage racing on a rally/vintage friendly track, which is mainly Astro track now.
Yeah.
But
go on.
I've had some footage sent over to me of the chase your car around the rally track. This
chase your car around thing, right? Can you just put some stuff in the comments? Are you into this?
If you are, come to the Popalong Rally. The track's going to be open all day. Free to just go round.
So, of course, there will be the racetrack.
The racetrack.
But there will be a chase your car around the track thing, which is quite a big thing apparently in
I know what we need to do. We need to do like a Top Gear track record sort of thing.
Yeah.
That'd be quite good, wouldn't it?
Can we be honest with like the subscribers here? We ain't planned much of it over at the moment, have we? Let's be honest. It's
going to be a fun, relaxed event. It's not too serious. Although, I bought the prizes today, boss.
Don't tell anyone. We got
if you've been to a Popalong GP before, you'll know what they are because I've gone down the same.
Okay, we got
vein.
Got prizes for first, second, and third. Yeah,
first, second, and third.
First, second, and third in all classes. We have got the raffle, and there's going to be kits. There's going to be good quality kits.
Redfin.
We got Redfin on board.
Kyosho Europe.
Kyosho Europe. We've got DMS as well, and I'm going to throw a few bits in as well that we've been given over the course of Popalong.
And I think we've got a couple of Schumacher mugs as well.
There you go, couple of Schumacher mugs.
What do we call the Schumacher Cup?
Schumacher Cup. So there's going to be loads of giveaways and things like that. But please, this is the most important thing. It is a fun event. It is not a national. It's not even a regional.
It's not even a club. It's just a fun event.
We don't even know if it's going to go to plan. Last year, there was a couple of cars that went over and they weren't registering, right? It happens, yeah? Please just take it all with a pinch of salt. If you're really, really serious about your racing, there's lots of...
I'll tell you what, if you are really serious about your racing, there is the Scotty Ernst.
The Scotty Ernst on the same weekend, isn't it?
Same day. Scotty Ernst, they do a good...
Yeah, so and Scotty Ernst, they need some bookings for their event as well. So if you're more serious racer, get yourself down over there. But we'd like to see you. You know, I'm not saying don't come, but
there are some very good vintage drivers coming to our event.
Yeah, right. But please don't have a go at anybody if it doesn't go to plan. Sometimes there's hiccups. It is what it is. But you'll get plenty of time on track, and we'll have a laugh.
We are actually in discussions with another venue for a Popalong GP later this year, but we're not allowed to talk about that yet.
We are.
But that is going to be a bit more serious.
Yeah,
that'll be a serious race event. That'll be. We can't talk about it.
Don't talk.
Put it in the comments down below. What do you think it's going to be?
Where do you think we're going to do? Because it's going to hopefully happen again this year. But it's
this year, and we're just waiting to get some dates in the diary. If we can do the dates that they can do, it's going to happen. We're going to start plugging it. Where do you think it's going to be? Put it in the comments. I'll tell you what. Put it in the comments, and I'll pick somebody at random. And then what I'll do is if they win, I'll pay for their entry.
I'll pay for their entry.
And when they come, we'll give them a sticker.
There you go. And I'll shake their hand and go, well done. I'd like to say I'd post something, but who posts things these days? You know what I mean? No one posts things.
Tell you who does post things.
Go on.
Got an envelope.
That's not an envelope, that's a jiffy bag. What you got in your jiffy bag?
Got myself some tools.
You tool. Where's your tool? There's your tool.
Yeah.
I know what I'm on about. Go on.
Anyway, little mini set. I thought because we're going to be taking the vintage cars out for a bit of grass racing. We could just take that. It's got everything we need.
Popalong RC, very nice. Comes in a little handy
little
case
mini
there.
set, comes in a
Nice,
case.
isn't it?
I thought it'd be simple. And the other thing as well,
What did you get?
I had an incident, didn't I, with my with my SC10.
Ah, the old SC10.
Last time I was at Mill End, it broke.
Rival MT10 arm mounts.
And I've actually got the upgraded parts from RPM. So I've got myself some rear arms. So I need to fix that.
Okay.
But
Alright, so there you go. So listen, that was a bit of kind of bits of video, bit of this and a bit of that. Mainly about the Popalong Rally. Remember, if you haven't booked in, get yourself booked in. That it will be a fun event. We will be racing the rally cars. We will be racing the vintage cars. People are asking what spec and all that kind of stuff. It don't really matter, to be quite honest. Just
come along, have some fun.
Yeah.
No
nitro, no 1/8 cars.
No, it's all electric. It's close to 1/10 as you can. It's probably best suited. It's 1/10.
Yeah.
I know the Relalo's probably 1.9.5.
Yeah, and they run. I think a standard they run like a 3S, but whatever.
Whatever. In terms of track, there is a cafe at the bottom of the hill.
Yeah.
There's a toilet at the bottom of the hill.
Yes.
The track is at the top of the hill.
Yes.
There are some tables, but if you've got a table, bring tables so you can pit.
Yeah.
Most people last year, they pitted out the boot of their cars down in the bottom field and walked up the hill to the track.
They did.
Let me think.
There's no charging facilities.
No charging facilities.
You're gonna
So
have to bring
yourself fully loaded.
Charge batteries. I might be able to. There might be a little bit of electricity, so I might be able to rig up my charger and a couple of others if people are really stuck. But we really need you to bring your batteries that are charged and hook it up to 12-volt batteries in your car, whatever. I think that's about it. But please, I will mention it again. It's a fun event. Bear with us. We're not the most organised of people. We are not the BRCA.
We're also, we don't run events, do we? We don't run race meetings.
No.
We race at race meetings and we're quite good at talking.
Yeah.
And we pop along to clubs who want us to come along and help out and do what we do. So come along, have some fun, enjoy the day. We're going to enjoy the day. I believe there's going to be food. There was talk of chicken burgers.
Chicken burgers?
Yeah, on a little barbecue griddle thing.
That's good, isn't it? Chicken burger.
And down the bottom of the hill, as I say, there's the cafe with the coffee shop and stuff. So
there you go.
It's all good. I fancy a chicken burger now.
Yeah, should we go get one?
Let's do it.
Come then.